Hi guys, how are you? Elanaru? Namaste, welcome back to channel. This is Pavesh Potharaju, and you see this guy, right? He's a completely mad guy. He called me at 11 o'clock and he want to go for a ride to DD Hills in a car. Oh, okay, I'm not worried about that because he is riding all the taking pain and on his own only. So no worry for me. I'm just sitting beside. But it's 1 o'clock now. Yeah, we are going now to the hills. Don't know how it looks and all. But when I see in Google, it shows that temporary closed. Let's see, we'll go there and we'll check out. If it is not closed, we can explore and we can enjoy there. If it is closed, okay, it's just gonna be a normal ride. And this is our first toll plaza, Navayuga Bangalore toll plaza. And here we reached second toll plaza. It is Tumkur toll plaza. Right now the time is around 1:47. Finally it's 2:30. It started little drizzling and all, but the road is really very nice.
Finally, we have almost reached Devran Durga Hills. That is shortly known as what, Parvi?
DD Hills.
DD Hills we have reached.
So you can just type DD Hills in your Google Maps, so you can come here. While riding in middle, there is this epic view, a lake you can tell in between the hills. So next to the hills you can find the beautiful lake.
See, that is a temple, I think. There. See that small.
Yeah,
right,
upstairs there is.
I think you can go
Top
up to
the
top.
hill there is one temple.
Yeah.
And there are so many temples nearby here.
Be open there.
Okay.
After 4, up to 5 here it will be open.
Okay, per car they are taking 20 rupees charge, right?
Not only all vehicles they take, I think.
Okay. Seeing the top is the temple. I think you can go both the ways. So you can come by vehicle or you can go by walk also. There are some stairs. So if you wanna walk means, so you can park your vehicle down and you can climb up to there by stairs and all. So it was very nice to see from here. And as I told you, you can come by stairs or you can come by vehicle, but you need to stop here in this location. From here you need to climb up by stairs only. But there are a lot of monkeys here. That is only a big problem. If you guys carrying any snacks and all, very bit difficult. Super location here, and it is evening, like 4 o'clock it is, and still it is foggy here because of the
4 o'clock.
weather. It might be.
Monkeys are coming here.
No worry.
Wow, what a jump! So finally we are in temple DD Hills.
Yeah, we don't want to talk much because we are in the temple. So I'm gonna set the camera right now. So yeah, we'll catch you after the darshan. So just now finished the darshan, and this is the temple of Lakshmi Narasimha Swami ideal. After finishing the stairs, we thought we'll go and see the guest house. So for the guest house, they are not allowing the vehicles, but you can walk and go there. If they allow booking and all, you can book and you can come with the family. Yeah, it's nice place, quite peace, no sounds at all, and the weather also very good here. I don't know. Today was lucky day, but whenever I come next time, it was like this only. Then it's going to be a great place to come with the family and the friends, whoever you would like. And if you guys watching this for the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon as well. So I have shown you this house, right? It was still shelter. It's raining.
Something like haunted rock, totally. Top of the hill, like haunted place.
It's like, I think it feel like a kitchen. It is.
Ghost will be there. So kitchen, I think.
Serious host will always do like this one.
Haunted rock away. It was haunted. Ghost and all will be there. People who have done something sin and all, no.
Don't believe his words,
Come
okay?
here, no. For us, this cell is super.
No, and I told that guest house, right? I have asked some local people here, so they told that we are not allowed there. Only the government officials are allowed there. Right now the time is 4:30 p.m. Make sure it's not a.m. It's p.m. Look at this cloud completely at 4:30 p.m. and it's little bit drizzling, but fully fog it is. Wow, kya location hai bhai, super it is. And my friend is really enjoying a lot since he planned the trip.
ಬೇರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಇದೆಯಾ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಏನೋ
Chai Nidish is making. So where we had the tree break, there the guy told there is a deer park
yes.
nearby. So it's only 3 kilometers. So we just came to see out. So and they are charging you 10 rupees per person.
20 rupees. 10
10 rupees. Yeah, 10 rupees per person. And it's closes at 5:30. So we don't have much time. So we have only 10 minutes to explore this place. So there are
You can
lot
see the
of
deers out
deers.
there.
Yeah, I'll show you the deers. There are so many deers. So there is a long story about this little pond. So there is a story that Rama arrow hit at this one, and water is flowing from this little pond. So I'll show you the story where it's written on the stone.
ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲೇ ಬಾಣ ಹೂಡಿ ಬಂಡೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗ ಬಾಣ ಬಂಡೆಯ ಒಳಹೊಕ್ಕು ರಂಧ್ರವಾಗಿ ನೀರಿನ ಬುಗ್ಗೆ ಚಿಮ್ಮಿತು. ಆ ನೀರಿನ ಸಹಾಯದಿಂದ ರಾಮ ಹಣೆಗೆ ನಾಮವನ್ನಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡ. ಈ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ನಾಮದ ಚಿಲುಮೆ ಎಂದು ಪ್ರಖ್ಯಾತವಾಯಿತು.
ಏನೋ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನೋ
And you can see lot of deers here, and there are like plenty, more than 100 I think so. And they have arranged it very properly so that you can't feed them by your own food. And I hope you all like the video. Just filling the petrol, we have stopped here. We are heading to Bangalore right now. After the deer park, we're just going straight to the Bangalore. And if you guys like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe me if you haven't, and hit the bell icon. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I'll be giving the links in the description below. Bye guys, see you in the next video.